Is there anything better about camping than gathering around a fire, sharing a meal while you tell stories and connect with your friends or family? Or even if you're out there solo, making a hot meal isn't just a necessity to keep you energized and raring to go. It's also super gratifying to have your food over an open flame or a camping stove. But when you don't have the right tools, it's a little tough to find the joy in it. So this week, I've got a little something to help reignite the magic for your outdoor campfire cooking. I'm Jared, and welcome to this week's Ready Yeti Spotlight. Today, we're going deep into the wilds of the culinary world with the Fire Maple Star X2 cooking system. Look, we've all got to eat regardless of where we roam around the world. Fire Maple is a company laser focused on outdoor cooking gear with over 18 years spent honing the cooking tools to set you up for success. They also happen to be an ISPO Gold winner 3 times so far. With their dedication to cooking equipment and innovation, you know that you're getting the best quality product at an affordable price. They believe that making your meals outdoors should be simple and easy as the meals you make indoors, and honestly, why shouldn't they be? So, whether you're building out your cooking setup or looking for the quiver killer of cooking gear, this is a great place to start. It's a super compact, durable, all-in-one system that is essential to your outdoor gear. Fire Maple combined a 1-liter cooking pot and the stove into one single unit, making it so much easier to store and tote around with you. It only weighs 21 ounces and folds up, taking very little room when packing. It even comes with a folding pot support that attaches directly to the stove so that it's compatible with traditional pots, pans, kettles, and other camping cookware. Not only is this Star X2 cooking system a dream for portable and rugged cooking, it also brings water to a boil 30% faster than a traditional camping stove. So maybe your friends and family will maybe stop asking, is it ready yet all the time? After a full day outdoors, getting something warm and nutritious in your system fast is important and probably going to be the only thing on your mind. The X factor here is that the pot is made of anodized aluminum, which conducts heat ultra fast. The folding handle is incredibly sturdy and clips in, and it won't wobble as you use it, it's on there. And the pot also has water level measurement lines inside of it to help make your meal prep as easy as possible. So there's like ½ liter, 1 liter, and in between those two. Let's face it, outdoor cooking can be a make or break for your adventure, and being unprepared or having the wrong tools can really make things turn out miserable. Whether you're enjoying the great outdoors for the day, picnicking or tailgating, or if you're out there for a few days really immersed in nature, the Fire Maple Fix Star 2 personal cooking system is just what you need to add to your packing list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for information on more gear like this, and let us know what you think in the comments.